Hey guys, we're heading over to the CES show this morning. We're going to be in the Diamond Audio booth. It should be really good. There's a lot of stuff at the CES show. We're at the shop right now, but we're getting ready to head over there and check it out. So if you're there, we're going to see you over there. Okay, so you go back to like the 1880s, the 1800s, right? They had a horse-drawn buggy, stagecoach basically. That's basically what this is right here, is a stagecoach. People get to face each other and visit as they're going down the road. The only difference is there's no horses in front of it. So we're kind of going back to where we were at one time. And I don't know, the body shape of it actually is kind of cool too, because it looks like an old, like 20s, 30s model, old car body. So as you can see it's pretty cool. Check it out. Okay, so I learned a lot about the Stagecoach. So the electric Stagecoach, basically we got in the car at the Las Vegas Boulevard sign. We drove all the way to Convention Center inside of here. It works off your mood. So if you're in a bad mood, it makes it smell better in there. The air conditioner comes on, cools you down, and the seats vibrate and make you relax. So you're in a better mood. So it's like worked off mood control and all touch screen with no screen. So basically from the air you touch what you want to do what. So if you want the air conditioner to go up, you circle, the air conditioner goes up. If you need to turn left, you just push a button. It's crazy the way that the technology is. Personally, I think I'd be scared to death driving this thing without being able to see the road. So, but it was pretty cool. It was a great experience. So this is pretty cool. This is like this is a hybrid is what it is. So there's a diesel or gas engine of some sort that runs a generator that in return runs the props on it. This is the pilot up here. What's your name? Sven. Sven's the pilot. Yeah. What's your guys' names? Where are you guys from?
France.
So they're from France. New York and France. So we're on our little vacation together. We're gonna test drive this. This is actually the prototype, so we signed up that if we go down, we're just going down. Yep. Anyway, it's pretty cool. Okay, so basically what this thing is a air taxi is what they call it. They're saying that by 2025 that this potentially can take over the bus routes and transport people around. It's more for industrial use basically, but it's a generator, runs on diesel fuel that runs an alternator in it, basically generates the power for the turbines on it. They say that you can run on 4 of them. There's 6 of them, so if 2 of them go down, you can still run on 4 of them. I don't know. There again, I don't know if I'll be the first one to actually go for a ride in this thing, but it's pretty sick how it works, and it's really cool looking actually. So it was kind of neat to see it. I mean, you can see where technology's going. Pretty soon, we won't be driving nothing. We're going to be driving around in cars that drive for you, and we're going to be flying in something that flies itself. It's pretty cool. inspiration on this Mercedes-Benz was a world record-breaking car from 1937. So this is kind of off the design of that car from 1937. So this car makes 750 horse. It's so bitchin'. You see the interior in this thing, even down to the tread on the tires got Mercedes-Benz emblems on the tire tread. Super badass car. You got to get down here and check it out. So here it is, 2019 CES show, and I gotta tell you, it was super awesome. I mean, there's so much stuff in there that it blows your mind. Like, my brain doesn't work like these guys out here. I'm completely fried walking around looking at all the technology and the things that are coming up in our future. I look at the stuff that's coming up and I'm like, I'm gonna be out of a job here pretty soon. I mean, there's nothing in here that has anything to really do with me. So it's really cool though. I mean, some of the cars that self-drive, the drones, and you know, the people. I went to the Diamond Audio booth and signed autographs. The line never stopped. So we know we got great fans still here at CES. You know, a lot of these guys are car guys too. So it was a good wrap up. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys later.